welcome back to my channel, unless of course you're new here, in which case, hi, hello, my name is Ashley and welcome to my random little corner of the internet. Today is going to be another Tutorial Tuesday, the video series in which I take an otherwise boring day of the week and teach you something cool, I hope. For today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a plaid glittered tumbler. There is not much more I need to say in this intro, so let's just get on into the tutorial. Alrighty, so for this tutorial, I'm going to be using a Hogg 20-ounce straight tumbler, because for this, honestly, for this type of cup, it is easier to use a straight, but you can use it on any other kind of tumbler as well. I have done plenty of plaids on curved 20 ounces as well as even 32-ounce cups. I have gone ahead and spray painted the cup white as a good base. Alrighty, and then let's get started. What else you need? You need painter's tape or vinyl cut into strips. Mine is I think this is a 1-inch of the actual Duck brand. Gonna get that angled in there, yeah. Duck brand clean release painter's tape. And then the colors that I'm using today, I'm gonna go for like an Eastery kind of theme. So I'm using Mint Julep by Glamz and Cream by Glamz. This is so pretty. It's like this creamy color, but it also has like gold flecks. And then, in order to create the plaid pattern, you are going to need to mix the two into, so let's do this without dumping it out. There we go. So, mixed together, equal-ish parts. Alrighty. So that's what you're going to need, and let's get right on into it. Alright, so it's easier for me, see, dang it, okay, just start with a vertical stripes. I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory there. So tape from the top to the bottom. And then I usually just wrap it around, that way it's more or less even on which side it's on the other side. I don't think I fully waited for the paint to dry. That is okay, it'll be fine. Alright. Okay. And then just continue that all the way around. Something that I do is I'll take a little piece like this, and then that way I kind of create a spacer for myself. You don't necessarily have to do that. You can totally eyeball it. But then that way they're a little more even. I don't think that went on straight. They're a little more evenly spaced. And then now is when you can start your horizontal stripes. So it's going to be the same thing, but you're going to go horizontally. So I tend to start right here at the very top of the cup. And then use the edge of the top of the cup there to keep yourself going straight. Oh, look at that. I love when I cut just right amount enough tape. Alrighty. Then if you're like me, you can use your little spacer. It's a little easier to do it when you're going horizontally. Alright, for this next part, we're going to use Mod Podge. The luster glossness does not matter at all because it's going to get covered up. And then I prefer to use a sponge brush. Don't look at how gross mine looks, but you know. Alright. So you're going to paint your exposed squares. I just do one line at a time. And you're going to I use the darker color first. So like I said, I am using Mint Julep from Glamz. Majority of the glitters I use are from Glamz, and I will link their website below because they are awesome. Their customer service is fantastic. It is going to take a couple coats because it is a iridescent color, which means it's a little on the white side. Alright, your next step is you're going to remove all of your horizontal stripes. I'm gonna So once again, we're going to Mod Podge our blank spots. And with this one, we're going to start using our mixed glitter. This camera's not doing it justice. That's really pretty though. It's very Eastery. So we're looking a little messy right now, but that is okay. The next step is to pull off all of your vertical tape. See? Look how crisp that looks. So for this next part, you are going to use the same mixed glitter that you have here, but you are going to very, very carefully use your sponge brush to put it in the spots that are next to the dark color, kind of creating a square around it. and then our last step, before I tell you just to do touch-ups and things like that, we are going to fill in all of the blank squares with our lightest color. For the lightest color, once again, I am using Cream by Glitter Glamz. Let's see if at this angle I can get it a little better. Kind of. Yeah, there we go. There's a little sparkle. It does have a little bit of a gold fleck to it. And now would be the time for touch-ups, because I am definitely seeing some areas that it needs a little bit of work. So you can choose to set it before you do touch-ups. I'm not going to. I'm going to go ahead and do those now. And that's all there is to it. I know my execution today wasn't the best, but the tutorial still remains the same. Oh yeah, I'm already seeing some places I still need to touch up. Alright, but with that, let's hit some beautiful B-roll footage of it all finished and epoxied. So that's it, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please hit that big thumbs up button as well as the big red subscribe button, and go ahead and hit the notification bell as well so you never miss when I upload any of my videos. Down below I'm going to be linking all of my social medias as well as any of the materials I linked today, and that's going to be it. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!